What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka 2 coming to you with another quick video. And today we are actually out looking at some cars. As you can see right now, currently at a Mazda dealership. So before you jump into the comment section, not looking for a car for me right now. Looking for a car for my wife. We went to Kia. Wasn't really liking the numbers. Well, I won't say the numbers. I say wasn't liking the markups because they were marking everything up over there. So we might check some other places. Looking at this CX-5 right now. May look at some others as well. Just did a test drive in the CX-5 and it was pretty cool so far. Prices are great. So it's kind of up to her though. So I'm not exactly sure which she's gonna go with, but most likely it's gonna be crossover SUV type. So figured I'd bring you guys along. So these are the new ones in terms of not just the new vehicles, but the newer styles, newer styling CX-50s. And these are going from the CX-50s to the CX-5s. But this white one is kind of what's been catching us. Not liking the wheels, but gotta check the interior because I think the interior might be a tan and not the white, but we will see. She's down there looking at a few others. She did like this color, but they don't come on the CX-5s, only on the sedans. And don't think she really wants a sedan right now. So these reds are real vibrant, but don't want no red vehicles. We'll probably end up getting a white one or so. And they do have some turbo options too, which is pretty interesting. And I do kind of like this package with the blacked out and the black wheels. But I don't know if they have those options on the CX-5 because this one, well, no, this is a CX-5, but I've only seen the blacked out on the red so far. I haven't seen it on any other color. And while this red is pretty amazing, I'm not a fan of a red car. Don't know what it is. It's like I can't do it. Even though it's not my choice, but she was definitely screaming no red too, so it is what it is. They had a nice Miata up there too, but I guess we can see the color of the interior in this one. Okay, alright, so it looks like this will probably be it. Trying to figure out what we're gonna do to get the car and all that, because it's basically fresh off the truck, so it hasn't had the inspections and all that stuff done. As you can see, still got the plastic on it, hasn't been open, and this is the day before holiday, so and Sunday, so mechanics, they're not all in to do the inspections, so they have to do that. They said it could be available tomorrow, but the thing is, we're not fully gonna be available tomorrow. He said we could do something Tuesday, but we're gonna figure that part out. But we're gonna go ahead and go in and start the paperwork stuff. But they have some pretty nice cars here, and they said they're not doing the markups, so music to our ears. All right, so this is actually the one. Not. This is the one. She's actually did the paperwork already, so all-wheel drive. Got the white interior. So we'll be picking it up in a couple days. They're gonna do the window tint to have this done, but this is not, so that's gonna be done for us. So we'll have that. And when we don't have anything else to do, we can come back and and pick it up. So after the inspection and everything is done. But I'm gonna try to talk her into getting some new wheels. So leave a comment down below if you think she should do that as well.
2 days later.
Alright, so we just pulled up, and it's the legal limit. And today's the day. I think this is the car. We're not 100% sure. We just pulled up. But it's freshly clean. Still has plastic on the inside. Got the tag on it. Got the front tinted a little to the legal limit. So I'm thinking this is the one. But she's going in to get checked in right now. So we will see here in a moment.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yep, this was it. We was right. That new car smell. Oops, let me get my thing out the way. Sorry about that. Got the plastic still on here. On there. It's looking pretty good. Another pearl. Pearl white. Yeah, not a huge fan of this legal tint in the front, but we can get it another layer added for it to be darker if we want it, but it's gonna do for now. Got the Android Auto set up. Just getting the Mazda Connect stuff set up now. The key is pretty cool. Pretty different. Well, different for us. Definitely liking it. And the color name is rhodium white. It's not pearl or anything, but it is a pearl. You can, I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I'll see if I can talk her into getting some different wheels. I know she did say she wants some black wheels, so we'll see what we can do. I do have a set that might work perfect for it. Definitely just need some tires, but other than that, should be good. All right, so definitely got the car. Had the car for a few days now, and everything's good so far. She's loving it. For this video, I didn't want to fool people or do clickbait and make you think, oh, this is his new car, he's getting a Mazda. So I definitely clearly labeled it so nobody will get confused on this one. But yeah, she's definitely enjoying the car. My car is going back to stock. It's almost completely stock. Actually, let me show you. So I'm showing you from in here because next door they have the music blasting while they're working on the house. So didn't want any copyright issues or anything. But in the process of getting back to stock over here. But I've actually had a few different cars in mind, and I had some scheduled to take a look at, and was kind of waiting until the car is actually stocked, so that way if it is something I want, that I would have the car there and can do the trade-in and all that. So I ended up missing out on a couple cars, mostly because the car's still not stocked just yet. So that should be done here pretty soon. So I put a hold on actually looking. Well, I'm still kind of looking, but I'm not trying to get too serious, because I don't want to run into something where I find something I really want and then I still can't get it, and then I miss out on it again. So I'm gonna hold off until the car's back to stock before I really go out and start looking at other cars again. So that's kind of where I'm at with the whole car situation. So my next video may be the car getting the process of it going back to stock. Not 100% sure just yet. Not 100% sure just yet. So we'll see. But stay tuned. It kind of just depends on the time frame of everything. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching the video. And you can leave all the congrats to my wife on the video. She will definitely read it, so definitely appreciate it. But we'll go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to. And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, who will be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.